Alright, this is going to be my first YouTube video. Please excuse the poor editing and the poor camera work. Also, all the grunting that I do throughout the videos, I didn't even realize that I sound like that. But here you go. 2006 Infiniti G35 sedan, 6-speed manual. Today we're going to try to put in Z1 subframe collars. And I'm also going to try to retrofit a 350Z exhaust. The ISR Dual pipe blasters. I'm going to try to retrofit it onto this car. We're going to see how it works. Alright, I'll be back. Exhaust off. Now I'll start working on this subframe. Hard for you to see with my phone. I ain't torqued them yet. Still got a little bit of, like they ain't pressed all the way in, but I guess it's gonna press them in. Sorry about the video. Alright, got the exhaust out. 06 G35 sedan, 6MT. And that's a 350Z ISR blaster. Alright. That's a cheap eBay Y pipe. That's a top speed performance 8-inch extension. And that's the ISR. Come from eBay. I ordered it on eBay. Come with a dent in it. ISR dual blaster cat back or Y pipe back. Made for 350Z. I'm gonna try to fit it to the G35. I'm already pretty sure it's not gonna be quite long enough, so I might have to cut it in there somewhere. And I ordered this 3 foot of pipe, and I'm gonna try to measure and cut the right size, and I'm gonna try to use these clamps to clamp it on. But if it doesn't work, I'll just have to take it to the muffler shop and get them to weld in the extension. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, ended up having to cut it. It definitely wasn't long enough. I'm gonna cut it right there. See, I bolted up this last section, but I cut it halfway down. Factory motor mount, factory exhaust hanger. Fit just fine. Lined up and everything. Alright. Well, I did it. It does look like it hangs kind of low. And you see, here's the cutout for the normal exhaust, and it's way over here, and it's hanging kind of low looking. We're gonna see when we set it down. I ended up having to cut a 10-inch piece right there, and I put it on with those 2 exhaust clamps. We're gonna see if it'll leak here in a minute. But it's on there. Set us up somewhere. You want an exhaust clip? First exhaust clip. That was cold start. I'm gonna let it warm up. I'll be back. All right, warmed up. My car's not lowered yet. I got coilovers. I just ain't got the chance to put them on yet.